Yo, what up YouTube? It's your boy Davina once again. I'm back with another video. So today we are going to do our weekly Forex market analysis, technical analysis, Forex Factory news release update. So if you are new to this channel, hit the notification, like the video, hit the subscribe button, share the video, comment down below. Guys, for the old subscribers, hit the like button, comment down below if you have any question or if you have any suggestion to add to my technical analysis for this video. So
Guys, as usual, we always include our Forex Factory just to check the upcoming news release for the week. For every week, guys, we have to check the other side of the fundamentals, guys, because we trade our trading also requires us to look at our fundamentals analysis, guys. So now looking at on Monday the 25 December 25, we have no news, guys. This is bank holidays. On Tuesday also December the 26th, we have bank holidays. On Wednesday the 27th, that is where we will have a medium impact, which is on a Richmond Manufacturing Index at 5 p.m. USD pairs. And also on Thursday, we have at 3:30 p.m. we have USD unemployment claims, guys. It's a medium impact expected, guys. This is good to trade, guys. This is the lowest volatility that you could get for the week, for that week. And also at 5 p.m. we have USD pending home sales. And also Friday, December the 29th, we have at 10 a.m. we have Euro Spanish Flash CPI, which is a medium impact expected, as you can see. And at 4:45 we have USD Chicago PMI. It's a medium impact expected. That is all we have for next week, guys. We do not have too much volatility for next week, guys. We don't have too many news for next week. So that is all we have on the Forex Factory, guys. Guys, if you have any certain pair, before we move on to the technical analysis of our pairs that we trade, if you have any pair that you like to trade but you didn't, you see that okay, we did not cover it in our analysis, guys, drop it in the comment section so that next time when I create a new video, I'll include that pair in our analysis, guys. Drop it in the comment section, guys. You can also join our free Telegram group. It's for free. You don't have to pay anything to be part of the Telegram group. It's where I drop all the setups that you take, all the gold setup that you see me posting. I drop them before I take them. I drop them in our free Telegram group, guys. And it's where we also chat about trading in general. The link will be in the video description. It will also be in a comment section, guys. Join for free. As I said, I do not sell anything in the Forex space. I don't do mentorship. I don't sell courses, guys. So the only thing that you can do for me is just by liking the video, sharing the video, commenting down below so that YouTube can do what? Can recommend my video to reach a larger audience, guys. People that need this kind of analysis or information. So that is the only thing that you can do for me, guys. So let's get into the chat so that I show you my technical analysis for the pairs that we trade. So as you can see here now, we start with the DXY analysis as you can see here. So DXY here is our latest break of structure to the downside. So now as you can see, but the most important zone that we have to look at, is this one. This is the supply zone that we have to look at. So we expect DXY to pull back into this supply zone, and then you put a stop loss just slightly above this zone. So that is on H4 now. As you can see here, we are in a downtrend. So we are expecting either DXY to move where? Either DXY to reverse at this zone, as you can see. To either reverse at this zone, this is our first supply zone that we DXY might reverse. Or if you break, because I see there is liquidity here, there is liquidity above this equal highs. So price might break and go up to and reverse at this demand zone, supply zone above here. So but I don't see that one happening. So only on this time frame. So maybe it will be happening on let me say next year. I think it will be happening in 2024 because now there is no enough liquidity to drive price and grab liquidity here and reverse here. So I I only see these lower time frame trend lines. Trends. I only see it happening on a lower time frames. Let me say like this one H4. Hello. Okay, let me call you later. Ne? Just be with the phone. Okay, as you can see here, that is the only place that I will be looking to enter our sales here. Here at this supply zone. Then I will sell here. So that is my view on DXY, guys. As you can see, we are in a downtrend on a DXY. This is daily, as you can see. This is market structure on a daily. So on H4, this is H4, as you can see here. This is H4. So yeah, that is my view on DXY, guys. Now let's look at Euro USD. Now looking at Euro USD, as you can see, we broke structure to the upside. This is a break of structure, as you can see. So now the only thing that I'm interested in, the only place that I'm interested in for buys is this zone, this first zone here. This is the first zone that I will be interested in our buys. And the second zone will be here. This is where we will be expecting our second buy if we break structure, because I see a liquidity. I see there is liquidity here. We see liquidity which is building up here. That's where I see liquidity. It's where we draw. It's where I see the market will come and grab liquidity below these zones. So, but this one, it will not happen now. It might happen during. It will happen during. It will happen next year when there is enough volume in the market. It will happen during next year when there is enough volume in the market. But for now, we just use these lower time frames. Let me say like H4 or H1. So we cannot use daily. So as you can see here, we see if price comes and grab liquidity below these zones, and then we buy, we enter our buys at this demand zone. So we target these highs. So that is how I look at Euro USD now. But short term, we are just here at we are expecting price to reverse at this zone here. It's where I would expect buys here. As you can see on H1, this is our recent break of structure. As you can see here, this is our recent break of structure. As you can see, now we are expecting a pullback into this demand zone, and then we buy, targeting this high here. So that is my view on Euro USD, guys. I don't have too much on Euro USD. Now let's look at GBP USD. Okay, now looking at GBP USD, as you can see, let me just quickly start with the with a H4 or daily. As you can see on daily, we are already coming at this demand zone that we draw up here. So now we are expecting a pullback, a small pullback at this demand zone. That is where we plan to enter our longs, guys. We will be entering our longs here because there is too much liquidity on the upper side. This is our recent break of structure. So now we are expecting to buy GBP USD here, or if price break this low and then we enter our buys at this zone here. Let me just quickly make it clear nicely. So we are expecting to enter our longs here, and then we target this high. Or if price break this low, then we are expecting to enter our buys here, targeting this high. So that is how I look at GBP USD currently. Let me just go on H1. So looking at H1, as you can see there, that is how we plan to enter our buys. So I'll be entering our buys here at this zone. So that is my analysis on GBP USD. So as you can see here, now we are on USD JPY. The current trend is a down. We are in a downtrend, as you can see there. So yeah, we are making higher, lower, low, lower, 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 higher. So now we are currently in a downtrend, as you can see. So now we are only looking at two areas that we are looking to enter our sales. So we are in a downtrend, so we are only looking to enter our sales, guys. So as you can see now on USD JPY, we have two supply zones. We have this supply zone that we have here, and we have our second supply zone that we have here, up here. So now if price react to this first supply zone, we enter our sales, targeting this low here. So if price break this higher and maybe reverse on this second supply zone. That is where we would enter our second sell. So that is my view on USD JPY. As you can see, we are in a downtrend. So let me just quickly switch over to 1 hour. So as you can see on H1, as you can see on H1 there it is. So as you can see here, this is our first supply zone, this is our first supply zone, this is our second supply zone. That is where we look to enter our sales if price get there. So yeah, that's my view on USD JPY. Now let's look at USD CHF. USD CHF. Okay, looking at USD CHF, let's just quickly switch over to daily so that I can show you what is happening there. On daily, as you can see, we are in a downtrend. As you can see here, this is a break of structure. We break of structure to the downside, as you can see there. So yeah, let me just quickly go on H4. Okay, on H4, as you can see, we are in a downtrend. Now, where are we looking to end ourselves? So I will be only interested in ourselves when price get this demand, supply zone. So this is our first supply zone. Our second supply zone is here. If price break this higher, I know it will reverse at this supply zone here. So for now, I'm only looking at two zones. This is our first supply zone, our second supply zone. That is where I will look to enter ourselves, guys, as you can see there. So now let me quickly switch over to H1. As you can see on H1 there, price is quite clear on H1. So now I would want to see this. I would want to see this price making higher highs and higher lows into this supply zone. Once I see that, okay, a change of character on a lower time frames, let me say like, okay, a change of character on M15, and then I'll enter ourselves targeting this low. So that is my view on USD. Okay, now let's look at gold. Okay, looking at gold, as you can see, guys, looking at gold, we are currently in an uptrend. So there is our break of structure. This is our recent break of structure, guys. So we draw our supply zone, our demand zone here. So now I'll be interested in our buys when price get to this demand zone. So for now, I'll be only interested in our buys. Once price get to this demand zone, then I will end up buys. Once we break this low here, because I see something here. So let me just quickly make it clear. So I also see something here on H4. On H4. So I see there is quite liquidity which is building up down here. There is a liquidity which is building down here. So I see liquidity which is building below here. So if price comes and grab liquidity below this area, and then I will be entering our buy here. I will be entering our buy here. So this is where I will be entering our buys if price comes and grab liquidity below this. Let me just quickly go on H4. So as you can see, it's quite visible on H4, as you can see there. Just quickly zoom in nicely. Yeah, it's quite clear on H4, as you can see there. There is liquidity which is building below this zone. So if price comes out and take out this liquidity below here, then we enter our buys at this demand zone. So if price doesn't come below here, then it comes and it tests this zone, which is a demand zone here, and then we enter our buys targeting where? Targeting this higher, guys. We see there is this higher that should be taken, so it's where we will be targeting. There is liquidity above this higher. So that is my view on gold. So guys, if you are new to this, if you haven't joined our Telegram group yet, you can join a free Telegram group. The link is in the video description. I can also drop it in the comment section, guys. It's for free. You don't have to pay anything to be part of that group. So that is my view on DXY. On our gold, guys. That is my view on gold. Now let's switch over to Nasdaq to see what is happening there on Nasdaq. Now looking on Nasdaq, as you can see, we are in an uptrend. But for now, I saw a change of character somewhere here. I saw a change of character happened here. So now we are in a pullback. So I see price either moving down Once price break this low, this candle, the low of this candle, then we enter our sales targeting this zone here. So we'll be targeting this zone, a 1-to-4 risk reward ratio. But if price now, if price break this higher and then we get a retest and then we buy. So if you get a retest, if we just broke out and then we get a retest and then we buy Nasdaq, guys, we buy Nasdaq. So that is my view on Nasdaq. I don't have too much on Nasdaq, but as you can see there, if price just broke this higher and then we get a retest and then we buy. So that is my plan for Nasdaq, guys. If I don't get that one, then I don't enter a trade. But for now, I'll look at two scenarios. If we break this low of this candle, and then I'll enter our sales targeting this low here. Targeting this demand zone which is below here. This is the demand zone that I will be targeting. So that is my view on Nasdaq, guys. I don't have too much on Nasdaq. So guys, if you want to see all the setups that I take daily or weekly, join our free Telegram group. All the setups that I take, I drop them in the in our free Telegram group. As I said, I do not sell anything in the forex space. I don't do mentorship. I don't sell forex courses, guys. I don't do account management. So guys, the only thing that you can do for me is just by smashing the like button, sharing the video, commenting below if you have any setup that you, any pair that you like, but you see that okay, we did not include it in our comment in our analysis. You can drop it in the comment section so that next time when I process this video, when I create a video about this analysis, I will include a certain pair that you dropped in our video, guys. So, and don't forget to subscribe, turn on the bell notification so that you'll be notified when I post a new video. So guys, that is my view on Nasdaq. Now let's switch over to USD to see what is happening there. So on USD, I see the same thing happening here. So I see the same thing happening. So I'm just now waiting now. So I will be waiting. Let me quickly zoom in. So if we get a break of structure to the upside, if you get a break of structure to the upside, then you get a retest, then that is where I'll be entering our buys. But if for now I see a change of character there, I see a change of character here, price has shifted now from bullish to making lower lows. So this is our confirmed lower low, and this is a lower high. If price doesn't break this higher, then it's a confirmed lower higher. So I'll be entering our sales once price break this low. If price break this low of this candle, then I'll be interested in our sales targeting this zone here below here, a 1-to-3 risk reward ratio. But if that doesn't happen, then we'll look at the buy side of this USD. Once we break this higher, then we get a retest and then I'll buy. So that is my view on USD, guys. That is my view on USD. We are currently bullish, but I see a change of character now. The market is shifted from bullish to bearish now. So this is visible on H4 and H1. So if you switch over to H1, you can clearly see that the market has shifted now from making higher highs to making lower lows. Let me just show you quickly. So this is what you see there. So this is a lower lows and this is a lower high. So now we were making these lower highs, we were making like higher highs. Internal structure, this internal structure is making higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows and higher highs. So but we have shifted here because this is a low that broke structure to the upper side. Now we broke this low, we broke our recent higher low to make a confirmed lower low. So that is where now the market is shifted now. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video, comment down below if you have any setups or if you have any pair that you are trading but you see that we did not include it in our analysis. You can drop it in the comment section so that next time when I process a video, I'll include it. You can also join our free Telegram group. It's for free. The link is in the video description. You can also find it in the comment section, guys. So guys, thanks for watching. Bye.